How AI scans your resume before HR sees it, 2026, ATS resume.
AliAzizQualityEducation channel providing you the job best interview related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
Many job seekers believe that a human recruiter reads every resume they send. However, in today's hiring process, most resumes are first scanned by artificial intelligence before reaching the HR department. This technology helps companies filter thousands of applications quickly and identify the most suitable candidates. Let's understand how AI scans your resume before HR sees it. 1. What is an AI resume scanner? Many companies use software called an Applicant Tracking System, ATS. This system uses AI to scan resumes and shortlist candidates automatically. The system analyzes resumes based on keywords related to the job, skills and qualifications, work experience, resume structure and formatting. Only resumes that match the job requirements are forwarded to HR managers. 2. AI looks for keywords. One of the most important factors AI checks is keywords. Keywords usually come from the job description. For example, if a company is hiring for a marketing role, the system may search for words like digital marketing, SEO, social media management, data analysis. If these keywords are missing, your resume might be rejected automatically. 3. AI checks skills and experience. The system compares your resume with the job requirements. It evaluates relevant work experience, technical skills, certifications, education. If your qualifications match the job profile, your resume gets a higher ranking. 4. AI analyzes resume structure. AI systems also check whether your resume is easy to read. Common problems include complex graphics, unusual fonts, poor formatting, missing sections. Simple, clear, and professional resumes perform better in AI screening. 5. AI scores your resume. Many ATS systems assign a match score to each resume. The score depends on how closely your resume matches the job description. Only candidates with higher scores move to the next stage of the hiring process. This means your resume must be optimized for both AI and human readers. 6. Common resume mistakes that fail AI screening. Many resumes are rejected because of simple mistakes such as missing job-related keywords, using images or graphics, poor formatting, lack of clear skills section. Avoiding these mistakes increases your chances of getting shortlisted. 7. How to make your resume AI-friendly. To pass AI screening, use keywords from the job description. Keep the resume format simple. Use clear section headings. Highlight relevant skills and achievements. Avoid excessive design elements. An AI-friendly resume increases the chances of reaching the HR interview stage. Conclusion. In modern recruitment, AI is often the first interviewer that reviews your resume. If your resume is not optimized for AI systems, it may never reach a human recruiter. Understanding how AI scans resumes can help you prepare a stronger and more effective application.